Hi guys, welcome back to another video and happy holidays. I can't believe it's almost a new year. A new decade actually, 2020. So in today's video, I thought I would just share some daily holistic habits that you can add into your life to help you feel your best, both physically and mentally for the new year, or really any time that you want to start a new habit or a goal, because it doesn't have to just be for the new year. You know, you can change your life any day of the year. And today's video is sponsored by iHerb. I love iHerb. I've been shopping with them for many years. So I'm always excited to collaborate with them because they just carry so many of my favorite staple products that help make living a healthy lifestyle a lot easier. So I picked out a few products from the website, which I will be featuring in this video today. And I'll be linking those products down below in the description box. And they have over 30,000 natural products on their website, and they ship to 150 different countries. And all their packages are shipped from climate-controlled distribution centers. So it just ensures that you're getting the best quality product you can. And their customer service is really great as well. They have 24-hour support 7 days a week, and they can talk to you in 10 different languages. So everybody can get helped out, and they have lots of different shipping options. They are shipped from the US, but I live in Canada, and they have DHL, UPS, USPS, and Landmark Global. So a lot of different shipping options to choose from. And yeah, I really hope you like this video. So let's get into it. I'm always looking for ways to reduce my toxic load. Switching to using natural personal care products is one of the best holistic habits you can form. I love looking at a label and knowing exactly what ingredients are in my product. If you're new to natural body care and beauty products, the first thing you should switch over is your deodorant. Conventional deodorants and aluminum-based antiperspirants contain ingredients that can potentially be hazardous for our health. And we don't want to block ourselves from sweating. We sweat for a reason. We need to release toxins. So throw away those antiperspirants. I've actually done a video on this in the past, but you can make a do-it-yourself natural deodorant by combining 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So I just warmed up my coconut oil because it's so cold here that my coconut oil is rock hard. The coconut oil is antibacterial to help reduce odors, and it soothes the skin. And the baking soda also helps fight odors, and the arrowroot powder gives it the perfect texture and allows you to make a harder deodorant. So you can just add more arrowroot powder if you want a harder deodorant. And then you just let that sit and harden, and you have yourself a natural deodorant. And if you aren't someone who's into do-it-yourself products, I found these deodorants on iHerb by Schmidt's Naturals that are made with shea butter, baking soda, arrowroot powder, cocoa butter, and essential oils. And they contain no aluminum, no propylene glycol, and no parabens. I definitely prefer the bergamot and lime scent. It smells really good. I found the rose vanilla one to be a bit overpowering for me, but these are great options if you're looking for a natural deodorant. Now, my next holistic habit would be to switch out conventional cleaning products for natural cleaning products. Conventional cleaning products often contain ingredients that are potential carcinogens, neurotoxins, endocrine disruptors, and more. White vinegar is a great multi-purpose cleaning product. I put it in a spray bottle and use it to clean and disinfect. Soap nuts are a fun way to clean. If you're not familiar with soap nuts, they're actually dried berries that produce their own soap, and they make a wonderful replacement for laundry detergent. They're very effective at cleaning your clothes, but they're also very gentle. So I stocked up on this big bag of naturally organic soap nuts from iHerb, and you can just replace your laundry detergent with them. Simply add about 5 or 6 to the little cotton bag that comes included with the soap nuts, and then put that in your laundry machine, and then add your clothes and turn on the washing machine. And you can reuse them about 4 to 7 times. But if you aren't into the idea of using berries to clean your clothes, I have another option for you. I recently started using Nellie's cleaning products. They're actually a Canadian brand and they make powdered detergents for your dishwasher and laundry machine. Their products are phosphate-free, biodegradable, no SLS, septic safe, scent-free, hypoallergenic, and Leaping Bunny certified. Also, to freshen up the air in your house, replace artificial fragrances and chemical-filled air fresheners with a diffuser. You can add pure essential oils and get all those aromatherapy benefits without the toxins. I can't live without my diffuser. This one is from Aura Cassia, and you can set it to run for 1 hour or 4 hours, and I love that it lights up. The soft glow is so pretty and calming. It's the perfect way to relax in your home that you just cleaned with vinegar and soap nuts. A great holistic habit for the new year is to focus on being hydrated and drinking more water. Drinking water is so important for our bodies to function properly, so making a point to drink more water will help you feel and look your best. But to be honest, I have a confession. I find drinking plain water very boring. So I always like to have a little something in my water to make it a bit more exciting to drink. Something I love to do is make a big pot of herbal tea in the morning. So here I have a few of my favorite staple herbal teas. I have the Organic India Tulsi Lemon Ginger Tea, which contains organic ginger, holy basil, and lemongrass. And then I have the Yogi Egyptian Licorice Tea, which contains licorice, ginger, cinnamon, orange, clove, and cardamom. I love herbal teas because you're not only hydrating yourself, but you're also getting the many health benefits from the herbs. So I'm using the Tulsi Lemon Ginger Tea today. So I just make kind of enough to last me for the rest of the day. I'll usually have a cup or 2 of that, and then the leftovers I just put in the fridge and I have that as iced tea throughout the day. You can even squeeze some lemon in it or add a bit of raw honey for extra flavor. I just find this is an easy way to get my liquids. I try to drink most of my water in the morning so I don't forget. I find if I start my day off right, I'm more inclined to make healthy choices throughout the day. So maybe I'll start my day off with a fresh green juice to get hydrated, or a cup of herbal tea. Or if you really want to go crazy, you can even add a bit of some Vitamin Mineral Earth powder from Health Force Superfoods into your water or tea or miso soup, whatever. It contains astragalus root, burdock, ashwagandha, yacon, dandelion root, ginger root, rhubarb root, flaxseed, chia seed, milk thistle seed, organic red miso, chili powder, paprika, sage leaf, red clover, slippery elm bark, kelp, watercress, blessed thistle, cinnamon bark, sheep sorrel, reishi, chaga, and shilajit. This is one of my staple products I get from iHerb, so I needed to include it in this video. Creating an exercise routine is the perfect holistic habit to create in the new year to help you feel and look your best. I recommend signing up for a group class if you can afford it. This will keep you motivated, and I find that if I pay for classes in advance, I'm able to stick to a workout routine better because I don't want to lose out on the money I already invested. And remember that exercise doesn't have to be boring. It's fun to work out while also developing a skill. I've been really enjoying taking ballet classes, and it's really taught me that it's never too late to start a new hobby. Challenge yourself and work out for at least 20 minutes a day. Don't have a gym? Don't worry. It also helps to have equipment you can easily take with you on the go or use in the comfort of your own home. Jumping rope is one of the easiest ways to work on your cardio anywhere, so this adjustable jump rope from Sports Research is perfect. I love jumping rope. I also recently became a fan of loop stretch bands. So I got these ones from iHerb, and you get them in a package of 5, so there's 5 different strengths. There's so many exercise videos here on YouTube you can follow along to. They're free and you can get fit in the comfort of your own home. So those are just some holistic habits you can incorporate into your life for the new year. I know that a lot of things probably kind of just seem like common sense things to do to stay healthy, but sometimes you just need that reminder and you need to kind of reset your goals and give yourself a kick in the butt. I know I need that. You know, I have so many goals. I want to stop procrastinating. I want to stop waiting for things to be perfect. I want to just kind of go for my dreams and stop being so afraid to do things. I have dance goals. I have so many goals. I have so many things that I really need to work on, and I'm excited for the new year. I think that 2020 is going to be amazing for all of us, and yeah. Oh, and follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I love Instagram. I do lots of hair photos, lots of hair care tips, lots of vintage dress photos. It's basically just my little place to play and do all my fantasy photo shoots of my dreams. So follow me on there if you don't already. I'll link that down below in the description. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications, and I will see you in my next video. Happy New Year and happy holidays. Bye.